So today I'll be using the Ivana Pizza recipe book, where you can find so many different recipes, and I'm sure you'll find something that will suit your needs. But I'll also be sharing with you some of my tips where you can have pizza on the table within minutes to share with your family and friends. So today I'm going to be using the Thermomix, where you can make a pizza dough recipe hands-free, really easy. I just want to demonstrate how quick and easy it is to use this beautiful piece of equipment. So we're at the home screen now, really easy. We scroll across a couple of times and we get to this screen where we can see a function called scale. Now this is one of the functions that I absolutely love. So I'm gonna just tear this to 0 and we're gonna start off with the water. This recipe calls for 320 grams of water, lukewarm. So we're gonna add this into the Thermomix, and as you can see, it is weighing all the water for me. How easy is that? Now we're gonna add the semolina, which is around 150 grams. We can just go and weigh in the scale. So I'm gonna tear this and we're gonna go back to 0 and I'm gonna add the semolina into the bowl and we're at 151 grams. How accurate is that? Okay, at this point I'm going to introduce the flour. Now I have a 00 flour and the W rating of this flour is between 280 and 330, perfect to make Neapolitan pizza with. Now if you're wondering what is that, it is the protein and gluten content in the flour. So again, we're going to tar this to 0 and I'm going to add the flour and we should have around 350 grams of flour. Next ingredient I'm going to add is the salt, and we're going to have around 1 teaspoon of salt. So we add that straight into the bowl. We want to add around 20 grams of oil. Look how convenient again, really simple, 19, 20. Now we'll add the last ingredient, which is the instant yeast, straight into the bowl. And again, this is about a teaspoon. We have to place the lid onto the top. Now to start the program, we want to exit the scale function and we're going to then press the dough function on the Thermomix, which is really easy. We press dough just like that and we get to this function here, which we have the time and we also have the start button, and really simple. We just turn the knob until we get to 2 minutes and then we press the little flour function and we just turn the knob to start the machine clockwise. There you go. How convenient is this? Well, there we go. Our dough now is ready to turn onto the table. As you can see, the machine opens up automatically. I take off the lid, really simple. Take the bowl off the machine. Now what I'm going to do is use this beautiful Thermomix mat and just getting all the dough out of the bowl with this very convenient spatula right onto the mat. So now that we got all the dough onto the mat, now we're ready to go on to the next step.